Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. On Mavia, wanted to do an update on that. It's been super bullish still. I mean, I'm not sure when I covered this last. I think on, I think on Friday. Did I cover it Friday? I'm not sure, but yeah, I think I covered it Friday. No, I did not cover it yesterday. I think I covered it Thursday when it got bullish again. But since then, it has obviously been very bullish. I mean, at this moment, most of you, I think already know the game and know the crypto. But at this moment, it's at a 200 million market cap. I mean, the first time I bought Mavia, I was down here at 2.7. So I was pretty lucky. You cannot see that right here, I believe, but I bought it quite early after the start. Bought it pretty low, and I'm still holding some of that. So it's up like, well, what is it? Like 150%, something like that. And back then the market cap was pretty low. So this was like, Mavia is a fully developed game. It's well, it's very similar to Clash of Clans, let's be honest, but it does have some major backing as well, and there's a lot of hype with the Bybit launch pool as well. Netting about 500% APR, which is crazy. Like, that's more than 1% a day, which combined with these price movements, that's been one of the best investments in crypto this year, right? So that's true, but I must say that even though I like Mavia quite a bit, at this moment we're getting a bit of a pullback in the markets. That's not amazing, and something like this, like at this moment, Mavia is still very bullish. Right, so that's definitely true. If you just look at the technicals, it looks bullish. We're getting bullish breakouts after bullish breakouts, and we're respecting, for example, earlier this morning, the 28 EMA, we're respecting our support levels. So at this moment, that's true, but like I said, I mean, that cannot keep going on forever. And at this moment, the open interest has found a bit of resistance. It's not like we also had that around like 5.7, so it's not the end of the world. And we did get some liquidations here as well, so that's actually bullish. So at this moment, when I look at the open interest, it's down a bit, which is a bit of a bearish confirmation. But that in combination with the RSI, which is normalizing, and the liquidations, it's not enough for me to say I think we're going to crash right here. But I do want to tell you that I do expect Mavia to crash quite a bit at some point of time. I think we're going to get some sort of bearish momentum, like we also got with not with Mavia. But like with SATA. SATA has been doing fine, by the way, again. But after the initial Binance launch pool rally, it did crash down and drop down quite a bit, right? It dropped down from 1.7 down to 1.15. It's quite a big drop. And I expect something like that from Mavia as well. But the main thing is, and this is something I cannot tell you in this video, this is something you'll have to watch for yourself. The main thing to watch is the open interest. If the open interest starts to drop down now, and it drops down below $22.5 million in open positions, then I would start to worry, because then Mavia is also at its main support level, probably at 6 and 5.8. And if that level breaks while the open interest is also falling, then we'll just drop down, and we'll drop down to $5, probably even lower, down towards 4.5. So be careful and be prepared for something like this, because at some point of time, it's going to happen. At this point of time, the open interest is still so high and the technicals are still so bullish that I would say it's still a little bit more likely that we'll just continue this bullish momentum up to the next strong psychological levels at 7.5 and $8, because Mavia does respect the psychological levels quite extensively now. So I still think that's the most likely, but I think the most important part is making sure that your risk is or that you're well risked, all right? So that you know something like this is possible, and at some point of time it's coming, all right? So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know right now on Mavia. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.